Today, you will learn 10 very common Spanish mistakes beginners make and how to fix them easily. In Spanish, you don't say, I'm 30. You say, I have 30 years. These mistakes come from translating English directly. Fixing them helps you sound more natural. For age, Spanish uses tener, not ser. You say, tengo 20 años. In Spanish, hunger uses tener. You don't say to be here. You say tengo hambre. In Spanish, muy goes after the noun, not before it like in English. You say casa muy grande. Location uses estar, not ser. This is a very common mistake. You say estoy en casa. To say have to, Spanish uses tener que. You must include que. You say tengo que estudiar. Para shows purpose or destination. Por is used for reasons or exchanges. You say esto es para ti. Spanish uses double negatives. This is correct, not a mistake. You say no tengo nada. Spanish usually needs articles. English often skips them. You say me gusta mucho el español. Some words look similar but mean something different. These are called false friends. Actualmente means currently. To talk about the weather, Spanish uses hacer. You don't say it is cold, you say hace frío. Avoiding these mistakes makes your Spanish clearer and more natural.